Uh, yeah, you can see that fishing. So, guys, yeah, let's switch to the topic. Do you know what is fishing? Fast.
Fishing.
Yeah.
Yeah,
What
I
do you
know
want?
fishing like
Fishing?
fishing
Mm-hmm.
from the sea, from the river. Yeah, that is
Yeah.
fishing.
Right. Right.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
I know
Fishing is
fishing.
kind of activities. Like of catching
Activities of
fish. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Catching
yeah,
fish. Right.
yeah, catching
Fahim,
fish. Yeah,
where
yeah.
you from?
I'm from
Number
Bangladesh.
one, your name is Fahim, yes?
Right. Right. I'm from Bangladesh.
Where you from?
Bangladesh. Don't you know about the flag?
I say,
Bangladesh.
where you from, bro?
I'm from Bangladesh.
Bangladesh?
Yes.
Bangladesh, Bangladesh,
Yes.
Uh, okay.
neighbor country India.
So, number two,
Yeah,
from India,
yeah,
yes?
yeah, I'm from India.
Number three and number four, also Bangladesh,
Yeah,
yes?
I'm from
All
Bangladesh.
yes, yes, yeah,
Okay. Our topic is about fishing, yes?
Right.
yes.
Fishing. Okay. Do you
Okay.
like fishing?
Um,
Yeah, I
I
like,
like
but I don't.
fishing, but
Hmm. Yeah,
I
go on.
don't any experience.
Okay.
I don't have an
I
experience.
think fishing is very important in our life. Yes.
Of
Yes.
course, it's
Make me
Yes.
important,
calm
but
down. Yes.
yeah, not like necessary work to do. Like you
Yeah,
can
it's
go
important.
for
Like not.
Yeah.
fishing, yeah, for fun,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
Okay.
You can go
yeah,
for
there's some
fishing. Fishing is an activity. It's
right.
not very necessary. Okay.
Yeah, but
Yes,
some
it's not very
fishermen,
necessary.
there's some fishermen.
Yeah.
They
There are some fishermen. If you
Mhm.
want fish, then you can buy.
Yeah, but for
But
Not.
fun,
if
I
you
can.
you can use rod like
I don't want
net,
to buy
to catch
fish.
fish.
I don't want to buy fish because I want to fishing.
yeah,
I
yeah,
have a
yeah.
friend every not every day. Uh, two times or three times a month. We went to fishing a fish. It's very you say necessary and for it's very healthy for brain. Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
uh, I think it builds your concentration power. It teaches us like how to be stay focused on certain thing for a long time, right?
Right.
Okay.
And you know that like some people do fishing to lead their life for livelihood, And in case of Bangladesh, there are lots of
Okay.
like both fishermen. They use net to catch fish in the river and sell them to the local
Guys,
market
what do you
also
think
for their
about
food.
learn
Hmm.
English language fluently?
Hmm. What was your question? It isn't clear. It wasn't clear. Can you tell me again?
What uh, I ask? I have a question.
Yeah, ask me.
In your opinion, uh, what's important and how uh, how we we must learn English language or improve your English,
Uh huh.
improve our
English.
English. How?
There's lots
Yes,
of ways.
your
There's lots
opinion.
of ways. For my opinion, you have to speak if you want to be a good speaker. And you can follow YouTube.
Yes,
There are lots of free resources like Speak with Vanessa. She has a great accent to follow. Also teach good things like relevant vocabularies, relevant like day-to-day used words and phrases. You can listen to podcasts. We learn very fast by listening. So if you have free time, like in your free time, you can listen to podcasts. You can listen to
yes.
Prime,
mhm.
prime. Do you know
In
any
your
YouTube
opinion,
channel?
practice.
Do you know any YouTube channel, specific YouTube channel
Yeah, I follow,
to learn English?
Speak with
Yes.
Vanessa. I'm gonna write it down for you.
What?
In my opinion, the more important things in to learn and
What the
improve your English, I
uh,
think
Fahim?
Uh,
it's
Fahim, what the channel name?
what
yeah, Speak with Vanessa. Just type it out.
Is
Check
Vanessa.
check the comment section. Yeah,
speaking?
Speak with Vanessa. Yep.
Okay,
I'm
okay.
from Russia.
Who's from Russia?
I'm from Russia. Do you know about my country?
Yeah,
Uh,
it's a huge country.
Do you, yes,
it's one
it's
of the biggest country in the
huge.
world.
Yes.
Yeah,
Do you know about my president Putin?
Putin, Vladimir Putin, maybe
yeah,
Vladimir.
Putin.
Yes, yes. I know about India, and I want to travel to India because you have a big historical place. Yes.
Yeah, India is a large place, but it has also lots of population as well. Like Bangladesh, in our country, we have lots of people.
No,
Hmm. We don't
Sorry.
have that much
I,
space like India.
I say it from Indian. He lost.
He left us. Don't know. Maybe he reached his daily limit. That could be a reason to leave us. Yeah. Do you know there's a free
Now,
time
now
limit? Like you
Fahim
can use
living
only for
in
10.
Bangladesh.
Yes, of course. I'm in Bangladesh right now. I'm in Trishul,
Which is
Mymensingh.
place
Uh,
exactly?
Trish,
Exactly
right.
place.
Trishul,
Uh,
Mymensingh.
I don't. I don't know. I
Mm-hmm.
don't know more about Bangladesh,
Okay, because it's
but
a
I think
little country, and it's not that popular. We're still our country is still under development, right? So it's a
I
developing
think you are
country. Hmm.
Muslim, yes or
Yeah.
not?
Yes.
Yes, it's Muslim
Bangladesh
country.
pupils are Muslim or
It's
Yeah.
not?
90%
Yes,
people are Muslim.
Yeah. So you could say most of them are Muslim
yes,
in our
it's
country.
perfect.
Hmm.
It's good, amazing. I'm Muslim. I'm also a Muslim.
Yeah, your name is
Oh,
saying, Umar ibn al-Khattab, one
Uh,
of the Khalifa.
I like Muslim
Muslim.
person and I like Muslim countries.
Okay, that's great.
Russian maximum people are Muslim
No,
or not?
Yes, no, no. Uh, I think
most of them are Christian, maybe. Yeah,
30% are Muslim. In
30%.
in Russian,
Hmm.
many different country lives and not most of the people Muslim, but
Okay.
everyone believe the God. Okay. Excuse
Okay.
me, guys. Only 5 minutes.
Which
I'm sorry.
fruit is traditional in uh, Russia?
Can you wait 5 minutes? I had some work.
Okay, it's okay. So yeah, like MD Arif asked you, what's the famous cuisine? Like, what's the famous food in your country,
Hey,
Omar?
fine.
Yeah, Omar. Yeah, Omar doesn't have that much of
Hey,
time.
fine.
Yeah, he'll
Hey,
be. Mhm.
which place in live in Bangladesh now?
Oh,
Fahim,
yeah. I
can you
I
hear me?
already mentioned. You didn't notice, right? Right now I'm in Trishal, Mymensingh.
Oh, okay, okay, okay. But your English language is good.
Oh my.
Extreme is good. And
You'll be good soon, you know,
now, are you a
if you
student
practice regularly. Yeah, I'm a
or
student.
job?
I'm a student and
Okay, which class?
yeah, I mean final year, like last year of BBA, Bachelor of Business Grad
Okay.
Business sorry,
Which
Bachelor of Business
university?
Administration. Notre
Which
University.
university?
Notre.
Okay, no, yeah, no. I am a student now,
Mhm.
second year. My department is textile engineering.
Textile engineering. Oh,
My university name is
it's a
yeah,
demanding subject, right?
BGMEA University.
Oh, that's great to hear.
Yeah.
BGMEA. It's a public university, right?
Is
BGMEA.
you you know BGMEA University?
Is it a public university
No,
or
public, no, private university,
private?
but most,
Hmm.
yeah, private university.
Okay, gotcha. I heard this name and
Now,
textile engineering
now
is
what do you do?
what I do. Yeah, I just studying and doing some sort of coding work. But nowadays I don't get that much of time because of my education, academic pressure.
Fahim,
Mhm.
just every day one problem him, because our speaking is not a good, but
Mhm.
why my speaking is very good is, please suggest me.
Okay.
You understand?
So you're, yeah, I got your point. Like why your speaking isn't good, right? Cause you don't speak English, you know,
Yeah, my
and
speaking.
it's our second language, and we all are
Yes.
learning. Like we have been learning English since our childhood, but we don't speak. We just knew the grammatical things or how to write English or the alphabet, but it's a language, you know. You have if you wanna be master at English, you have to communicate. Otherwise, it's not possible. And if you do it consistently, you know, every day, you'll be a better English speaker. You know, don't focus on like on your mistakes. You know, though it's easy to give advice, but it's very difficult to follow them. You have to be give you have to give more effort and learn some common words and phrases, right? That you can use daily in your daily conversation, and you'll find that like when you get the
Yeah.
fluency and confidence, then you can add lots more unique vocabularies that will sound you more native or natural or advanced, whatever. Are you cooking, man? Or if it's kind of sound of pressure cooker.
Yeah. Oh, sorry,
Where's the
sorry,
sound
man. Sorry,
coming? No,
sorry.
where's the sound coming?
Uh, just
Uh huh.
phone or video open. That's why is sound created.
It's okay.
Do you have use Facebook?
Do I have Facebook? Yeah, I have Facebook account.
Uh, if you don't mind this account's name you told me.
Yeah, it's same as like Fahim Montasir. It has the same profile like this one.
Fahim Muntasir only.
Yeah,
And profile is same profile.
yeah, right.
Okay, my Facebook name is Arafat Hussein Arif. Okay,
Yeah,
I just wait, man.
yeah, sure.
Man, my I just everything my speaking is not good. I told my university every maximum people are good speaking, but I don't know this good speaking. That's why a
Cause
big problem.
yeah, don't worry about this. You'll be a better speaker if you try at your best and learn like learn every day and listen to any videos, English videos,
And
and watch them and
Fahim
try to learn the
Montasir,
physics. Yeah,
but I don't show your profile,
it doesn't.
Facebook.
It doesn't show my profile. Just type
Yeah,
Montasir Fahim and use
Montasir.
Mo, not U.
Oh, I just show is
Yeah,
MON
yeah, right.
TASIR
Yes,
SIR.
you're right.
Yeah, Fahim Montasir.
My name has different spelling, but most of them use Mu for Muntasir. I believe it was a mistake from my parents. Like
Yeah,
they misspelled my name when like while entering
now,
my birth
yeah, yeah,
certificate.
yeah. I just your profile.
Mm-hmm.
I just add with you if you don't mind, bro.
Yeah, sure, no problem.
Just Arafat Hussein Arif.
Yeah, sure. I'll accept you while I open my Facebook. When I open my Facebook, sure, no problem. Okay, bro. Like,
You,
mhm.
bro, you every day join in the in room or sometime.
I try to create, but sometimes I miss. If I don't have free time, then I don't create. But otherwise, I try to create voice room every night. And there are some other people as well. They are not present
You
today.
finish your dinner now.
Yeah, I'm done. Yeah, I had my dinner before like 9. Hello? Oh my god, I think it's a network issue.